Hello, boys and girls. We are doing multi-step story problems for the rest of the week. So we started yesterday. I hope those two went well for you. Today we're going to continue on, and I'm going to do a few with you right here, and then I'm going to have you go on IXL to F7. You don't need to get to 80% today. I just want you to get as far as you can where you feel comfortable. We'll keep going at it. It's not going to be a one-day thing, all right? So I'm going to read you my first problem. Michaela is getting ready for her school dance. Maybe it was the St. Patrick's one. I'm not sure. Okay. She spends 12 minutes doing her hair. So since I know numbers are important, I'm going to put up here on my board 12 minutes. Okay. Then she spent 15 minutes doing her makeup. Whoa, that's a long time. Then the next day she spent 4 minutes getting dressed. All right, so she spent 12 plus 15 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then I forgot to add those two. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry that one over there. She had 31 minutes getting ready for that dance. She spent quite a while. But they said right in the story problem, she needs to leave at 5 o'clock. But they have to figure out what time she should start getting ready. Well, if she wants to leave at 5 o'clock, she needs to be ready 31 minutes before that, okay? So you're going to take that 60, because you know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 minus 31. You have to borrow because you can't take 0 from 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 29. So she needs to leave at 29. No, that can't be right. She needs to leave at 4:29 to be ready to go. We're going to start on our next video, or not our next video, our next problem. Okay, so I'm going to read it to you first, and then we're going to look for numbers in here. Brandon is buying molding for his bedroom. Molding is that little bit of wood that goes around the bottom of your room, okay? And his bedroom is 12 feet long and 10 feet wide. All right, so this is not to scale, meaning I'm just doing the best I can with the drawings I've got here, okay? And we're going to say this one is 12 and this is 10, okay? So they're saying those are the sides, that's what the floor of his room looks like. If molding costs $2 per foot, we need to figure out how much he'll spend on molding for his bedroom. Well, how do I figure this out? Well, if this is 10, this is 10, right? And if this is 12, this is 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay. Plus 10 is 20. Add it up, 44. Okay, it's 44. 44 feet of molding. Well, remember, this is multi-step. Remember, we talked about it being multi-step, meaning more than one step. So we know now that he's got 44 feet he needs, and it's at $2 a foot. How do we figure that out, boys and girls? Those of you that are thinking, I'm going to move this 10 just so that I have room here. Put it right over here. We're going to take it times 2. 44 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, because it was $2 for each one of those. So we had 44 times 2 equals $88 to do his whole bedroom. Okay? So today you're going to be doing some multi-step story problems on IXL. Now remember, boys and girls, all week long, that's what we're going to be doing. And when it's multi-step, it's more than one. Most likely 2 multi-step, okay? So make sure you're doing kind of 2 math problems within your problem, and then you'll be ready to go. I love you, I miss you, and I will talk to you soon.